people who know us the best and love us the most. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I, Shubhra Rani of class 8C, is here to conduct this special assembly on Mother's Day. A prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So I would like to call Bhumika Tiwari of class 3rd for morning prayer.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Tiwari from class 3rd from National Public School. So let's start prayer. Oh God, oh Lord, today I pray, increase my knowledge day by day. हे भगवान दो वरदान मैं नादान पाऊं ज्ञान. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high you can get over it. So high you can get over it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So deep you can get under it. So deep you can get under it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So wide you can get around it. So wide you can get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you.
An oath is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I would like to call Shum Arya of 8A to lead us with the pledge.
Get ready for bless. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its this. I shall always try to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers and elders and shall be obedient to them. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity and all life. My happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words, strengthen and endless possibilities. To enlighten and brighten our morning, I would like to call Shakshi Sharma of class 7th A to deliver a thought.
Good morning everyone. Today I am Sakshi Sharma standing in front of you to deliver today's thought. The thought is, mother is the heartbeat in the home and without her there seems to be no heartthrob. Mother is the heartbeat in the home and without her there seems to be no heartthrob. The explanation of the thought is, mother is the heartbeat in the sense she always keep working and spreading happiness in the home, due to which we always love to spend our precious time at home. Whenever if we don't see our mother at home, it seems like a whole home is like an empty space. We feel alone. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Kanishka Pandey of class 8C to update you with the latest happenings around the panoramic world.
Good morning everyone. Today Kanishka Pandey, class 8C, is here to deliver today's news. National news. Coronavirus. 8 trains to bring nearly 30,000 migrants to Bengal, claims TMC. Visa gas leaks. Locals protest demand arrest of LG Blimers, management and closure of plant. Some international news. US tightens visa rules for Chinese journalists amid coronavirus tensions. Pakistan court orders auction of ex-Taliban chefs' property. Some sports news. BCCI is taking into consideration the prospect of bio-friendly stadiums and different formats from resumption of cricket. Some news from NPS. Today it is the first ever e-assembly conducted in NPS. All the students of NPS are waiting for this day from last 1 week. We can see immense curiosity among them. The NPS family wishes every woman a happy Mother's Day.
I would like to take you to the melodious song which gonna sung by our respected teacher, Miss Lovely Purohit ma'am.
तो कितने अच्छे हैं, कितने भोले हैं, प्यारे प्यारे हैं, ओ माँ, कि ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, कि
this world where everything is case of extreme perfection. There is an interesting fact behind every creation in this world. So today for those facts I would like to call Mahima Kavadkar of class 8th A.
A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but her place no one else can take. A very warm good morning to all. Myself, Mahima Kavadkar of class 8th. On the occasion of Mother's Day, I am going to deliver some of the amazing facts related to Mother's Day. Number 1. Mother's Day isn't always on the same date each year. Number 2. More calls are made on Mother's Day than any other day of the year. Number 3. Mother's Day is the third highest holiday for selling flowers and plants. Number 4. Mother's Day is the busiest day of the year for restaurants. Number 5. Beauty salons and spas also get a Mother's Day boost. Number 6. The most popular gift for Mother's Day is greeting card. Number 7. Americans spending around 26.7 billion US dollars on Mother's Day. The sweetest sounds to mortals are given heard in home, heaven and mother. Have a beautiful Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers. Thank you. Have a nice
I would like to call Urvashi Dubey of class 8th A for a beautiful poem.
Hello everyone, myself Urvashi Dubey and today I am going to tell you a poem on Mother's Day. Mom's smile can brighten any moment. Mom's hug put joy in all our days. Mom's love will stay with us forever and touches our lives in precious way. The value you have taught, the care you have given, and the wonderful life you have shown have enriched my life in more ways that I cannot. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
At this moment, I would like to call Ganga Sharma of class 7th A to share her views on Mother's Day.
मांग लूँ ये जन्नत कि फिर से यही जहाँ मिले, मांग लूँ ये जन्नत कि फिर से यही जहाँ मिले, फिर से यही गोद और यही माँ मिले. A mother is she who can take the place of others, but whose place no one can take. Good morning all of you. I am Ganga Sharma from 7th standard from National Public School. Today I would like to share my views on the auspicious occasion of Mother's Day. Let me wish a very happy Mother's Day to all of you. Today I have got a golden opportunity to express my feelings towards my mother and all the mothers in the world through these are not so great words of mine. Sure, no words can describe our gratitude or thanks for our mothers. She is the most precious gift for us the Almighty, as God could not have been present everywhere in the world. He must created mothers to make up this role is supreme. Behind the success of every great person, there is the inspiration of his mother. She is our first teacher, first guide and first friend. She gets second lease of life when her child is born. She smiles, she cries and she sleeps when she finds her child asleep. Her great source of happiness was the happiness of her child. She is the contented if her child is so. For her the whole world is a family and children. She does everything to please each and every member of the family. In lies of that, she does everything. She does not want anything. We also take care her and all efforts granted in a way. She does a thankless job for us. She is the epitome of love, affection, sacrifice and generosity. No wages, no holidays. Non-stop work for 365 days. She is the only creature of the world from ever God was. Her presence in the world provides solace to the suffering humanity. Her smiling face removes all the sorrows and fates of the world. Mothers are the constant source of father as well. Fathers seek them in making opinions and making all the important decisions of the family. Without mothers, fathers are incomplete. She is the nucleus of the family. No mother, no society, no society, no country, no country, no world, and no world means no existence of human beings. I can't say beyond that. Thanks for listening with such a great patience. Happy Mother's Day to all of you.
As starting has an end, we have also reached the end of our morning assembly. So let's end our morning assembly with the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Is not a person to lean or but a person to make learning unnecessary. Thank you all the moms of the world for always being there and making us feel loved, cared for and special. Thank you all the ladies and gentlemen too for joining us. We hope you had a great time. Wish you all the happiness, peace, health, success and liberty.